Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how to add the drop-down menu to your subpages and pages on your Wix website. So let's get started. Now in the first step, launch the Wix website editor, and let's say you've been working on an e-commerce store like that. You're selling t-shirts, shoes, accessories, clothes, and so on and so forth. So let's say I would like to add a drop-down menu to my home screen here of my website. So to do that, head over to the pages and menu section here on the left sidebar, and what you want to do after that, guys, is click on that icon here at the very bottom next to add menu item. Here it says add a drop down title, so click on that with your left mouse, and after that double click on your drop down menu here and give it a name, like for example, I don't know, drop down number 1 or drop down number 2. Confirm by clicking on done here. And what you want to do after that is move your drop down menu to your website's home screen by left clicking on it and by drag and dropping it here below your home screen. And next, let us add some items to that drop down menu here. To do that, click on add menu item here at the very bottom, select new page, click on blank page here in the top left corner, or choose some of the pre-made customizable page templates here. I will go with a blank page just for demonstration purposes. Wix will add that new blank page to my site menu here. Next, double click on its name and give it a name, like for example, I don't know, if it's an e-commerce store, let's call it shoes, just like that. And after that, click on these 3 dots here to the right and make that page a sub page of your home screen or home page, just like that. And repeat the same process with another item or element for your drop down menu. So click on add menu item here at the bottom again, click on new page, and next click on blank page here or use a customizable template. Head back to pages and menu and give your second sub page a name too, like for example apparel, for instance. Make that a sub page 2 if needed, and after that simply move your sub pages to your drop down menu below. And last but not least, enjoy the fruits of your work by launching the preview mode by clicking on that button here in the top right corner. Select your home page first, and after that click on preview here. Look for the drop down menu that has been added to your website's home screen. For that specific website template here, the sub pages of my home screen or home page can be found at the very bottom here, and there you go. So if I hover my mouse over that drop down menu, I will be given access to sub pages and items of that drop down menu. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.